Okay, students, so I'm going to show you how to do your second demonstration of potential and kinetic energy. And today we're going to use marbles, and I made a very cheap, easy paper track, right? And you can see it goes down this time and then it bumps back up over a hill. So here's what we're going to be demonstrating today, right? We're going to be putting a marble at the top of this paper track. Okay, and when it's up high in an elevated position, it has potential energy, right? Gravitational potential energy. When I let it go, it's going to roll downhill, gaining kinetic energy. That's the energy of movement. That is mechanical kinetic energy, right? And then when it goes back up the smaller hill, it's going to gain a little more potential energy again, and then it's going to continue onward, right, with kinetic energy. So it'll go down. It starts out with potential energy. It gains kinetic energy down the ramp, okay, and then it goes back up in the second hill right here like a roller coaster would, gaining potential energy again and then turning back into kinetic energy. Let's try it out. So I'm going to put the marble here at the top of the ramp. And there it goes, okay? So that was the idea. You saw it roll down the ramp, right, up over the second hill and down the ramp again. Again, top of the ramp, potential energy, down the ramp, kinetic energy, and then it gains potential energy again as it goes to the top of the hill and then goes back down with more kinetic energy one more time. And there it goes. Okay, that one rolled all the way under the couch. Now we're going to go demonstrate the same thing. You don't have to build something if you have something around the house. This is a blue track. You can see it is going to go downhill, okay? And once it gets to the bottom of the hill, then it's going to hit a second hill. And it goes up high. And look at that. There's a little car right there with potential energy because it's already in an elevated position. Notice that this car right here with potential energy doesn't have any kinetic energy yet because it isn't moving. Okay, but let's see if we can demonstrate this. We're going to go ahead and use this white car, and we're going to put it at the top of the hill. Okay, and as it goes downhill, so right now it has a lot of potential energy because it's at the top of the hill. It's going to go downhill, and it's going to go all the way to that second car, and it will gain kinetic energy as it goes downhill, right? Right now it has gravitational potential energy. It'll gain kinetic energy going downhill. It'll bump into that car and activate that car's potential energy, turning it into kinetic energy. So here we go. And you could see, ooh, that time we had a spin out and a crash, right? So let's try putting this car here, and we will switch it up, okay? Make sure it's on the track, and we'll try that demonstration one more time. So here we go. The car is at the top of the hill, and let's see what happens when we let it go. So it has gravitational potential energy. Let's watch it turn into kinetic energy, and then back into gravitational energy at the top of the second hill. And there you go, okay? You saw that this car went all the way down here to the second hill, and it transferred its energy to the white car, which went all the way to the end of the track. So that's another way you can do your mystery science demonstration this week on kinetic and potential energy. Thanks. Have a great day.